Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will explore Nvidia in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 13th of September, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of September 11th, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.43. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.87%. This amounts to an average return of 0.62% per day since it was recognized as a buy candidate. The stock is currently situated at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically indicates a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $125.57 would signal a slower rate of decline, and it may also be the first indication of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 10.84% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from a decrease of 30.75% to a decrease of 6%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a significant potential change of 163.99% over the next year, with a possible return between 132.30% and 252.93%. This translates to a price range between $276.67 and $420.34 after a year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline: Nvidia stock price down 0.036% on Friday. The Nvidia stock price decreased by 0.036% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 13th of September, 2024. It declined from $119.14 to $119.10. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2%, ranging from a low of $117.60 to a high of $119.96. Notably, the price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 1.28% over the previous 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume also decreased alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indication, as volume typically follows stock movements. Specifically, trading volume fell by 125 million shares, with a total of 237 million shares exchanged for approximately $28.170 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $140.76, while the lowest was $39.23. Currently, the price is 15.39%, or $21.66, below the 52-week high of $140.76, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia remains a major force in the stock market, spearheading a recent rally in the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100. This momentum is partly fueled by expectations of an impending interest rate cut from the Federal Reserve. The company's growth trajectory appears robust, with analysts highlighting positive momentum and optimistic guidance for upcoming quarters. While there is some skepticism surrounding its valuation, Nvidia is still seen as a leading entity in the artificial intelligence sector, strengthening its long-term position. Recent discussions indicate that the current AI boom stands apart from previous market bubbles, suggesting that Nvidia's influence in this changing landscape is likely to not only sustain but possibly expand, as evidenced by its impact on the stock market. However, it is important to acknowledge that any decline in Nvidia's performance could disproportionately impact wider market indices, revealing the risks tied to its current dominance. The anticipated boosts in the cryptocurrency market complement Nvidia's offerings, connecting it to a range of sectoral growth, particularly alongside Bitcoin-related stocks. As analysts advise investors to take advantage of price dips, Nvidia's recovery from recent setbacks illustrates its resilience. Overall, if Nvidia can maintain its innovative edge and leadership in the AI field, both short-term momentum and long-term stability in its stock price seem probable, underscoring the company's crucial role in shaping market dynamics. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, the 11th of September 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NVDA a conviction buy rating alongside a hold action. On Thursday, the 5th of September 2024, Bank of America Securities reported giving NVDA a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 4th of September 2024, UBS reported assigning NVDA a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of August 2024, Piper Sandler gave NVDA an overweight rating along with a hold action. Also on Thursday, the 29th of August 2024, Craig-Hallum assigned NVDA a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock an overall neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. However, a general sell signal is present due to the long-term average being positioned above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $111.39 and $114.74. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was recorded from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and the stock has since increased by 15.82%. A further rise is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact short-term developments. Currently, there is also a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price fluctuations. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 6 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 34 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also points to a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 207 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, identified from accumulated volume at $109.21 and $107.27. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, it may lead to a decline towards the next support level. In Nvidia's case, if the support at $109.21 is broken, the next support levels from accumulated volume will be at $107.27 and $100.45. This stock tends to exhibit significant daily movement, characterized by volatility, and the large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band suggests that it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.36 between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 2%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock was 4.56%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 19th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 73 cents. It is vital to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial effect on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $123.54. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $109.21. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Huangzhen Shun, who bought and sold 118,900 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 99.595. In total, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 1,563,154 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $112.47, reflecting a decrease of 5.57%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which indicates a higher level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 18 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? While the stock is currently experiencing a downward trend, several short-term indicators suggest a potential buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for the stock to perform positively in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 16th of September, we anticipate Nvidia will open lower by 215 thousandths and begin trading at $118.89. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.